Okay, now we are ready for a demo how PLC Excel logs data into a database. First, let me demonstrate that this is SQL Server Management Studio, and if you look under databases, there is no PLC Excel DB there. It does not exist. We now go back to PLC Excel. We select Log to Local DB and we click Start. And as you can see, the status is it's now monitoring. It is not logging yet because it's trying to create the database. It takes a moment. Now it's saying it's logging. So let's go to the database and refresh the database list. There is PLC Excel DB. So PLC has created this database, and if we look at the table, it has created a data log table and a login error table. So let's go to the data log and see what's going on there. So we'll make a query, we'll select the top 1,000, and there is our data. Let's just order by ID descending to have a closer look. You see here, it's 1071 record. If we refresh, it's 1197 record. So PLC Excel is actually logging the data, and that's how it does it. So you just select Log to Local DB, and PLC Excel takes care of the rest. While it's logging, you can still write to the PLC and read from the PLC. So now we stop PLC Excel, and that's how it does login. Very, very simple.